Now discuss about the polynomials. అంటే ఈ క్లాస్ అనేది పాలినామియల్ టాపిక్ మీద మొత్తం, అంటే పాలినామియల్ టాపిక్ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఉన్న వాళ్ళు క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా అటెంప్ట్ చేయాలి అనేది. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ బ్రీఫ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్. అసలు పాలినామియల్స్ అనేది ఏ ఫామ్లో ఉంటుంది, అసలు పాలినామియల్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఓకేనా? పాలినామియల్ ఈజ్ ద కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది variables and constants. It can be expressed in the algebraic expression with the algebraic operations. The general form of the polynomials, it is we discuss on the quadratic polynomials, that is p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c is polynomial. If it is equal to 0, then we say that it is a quadratic equation. Polynomial means it is a algebraic expression in the second degree. In this, what is the variable? X is the variable and the a, b, c are the constants. Okay na? Polynomial ki ఉండేటువంటి సొల్యూషన్స్ ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో వాటిని జీరోస్ అంటాము. క్వాడ్రటిక్ పాలినామియల్, క్వాడ్రటిక్ పాలినామియల్ మీన్స్ టూ సొల్యూషన్స్ అనేటివి ఉంటాయి. సొల్యూషన్స్ మీన్స్ in the polynomial we say that those are zeros. Zeros can take as alpha comma beta. Okay na? The relation between the polynomial and zeros means the sum of the two zeros is equal to minus b by a, product of the zeros equal to c by a. If they have given the polynomial and to find out the zeros means split into factors or use the quadratic formula. That depends. Maximum cases we use the split into factors. Okay. From that, the factor, from the linear factors, we take into 0, we get the x value, that is the 0 of the polynomial. Then if you know the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros and how to find out the polynomial expression. The polynomial expression is equal to k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the polynomial expression when we know the zeros of the polynomial, two zeros. Next వచ్చేసి ఇంకా మేజర్గా ఏమున్నాయి దీంట్లో, 3 zeros అంటున్నప్పుడు ఏంటి, ఆల్ఫా కామా బీటా కామా గామా ఆర్ ది 3 zeros ఫర్ ది క్యూబిక్ పాలినామియల్. దట్ ఈస్ ద క్యూబిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఈజ్ ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. In this, the sum of the zeros alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b by a, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. The product of the zeros alpha beta gamma equal to minus d by a. Okay na? These are. Next, how many zeros means the curve touches the x-axis, how many times you get such number of zeros. Okay, curve touches the x-axis 1 2 3 4 5 6 if we extends x-axis, so it has 6 zeros. Ala ante depends on the curve and how many times it intersect. Now we discuss some questions on the polynomials related to MCQs and assertion and reasoning, 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks questions. First question, one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial k minus 1 into x square plus kx plus 1 is minus 3. One of the zero means alpha equal to minus 3, k minus 1 into x square plus kx plus 1. This is the polynomial. Then we substitute in the place of x equal to minus 3, p of minus 3 equal to minus 3 whole square into k minus 1 plus k into minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 whole square is 9. 9 into k, 9k, 9 into minus 1 minus 9, minus 3 into k minus 3k plus 1. That is a 0 means if alpha equal to minus 3 is the 0, the relation is P of minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, 0 means the polynomial becomes 0 when we substitute the 0 value. So it is equal to 0. 9 minus 3 is 6k minus 8 equal to 0. So what is 6k? It is equal to 8. K equal to 8 by 6. 2 3s are 2 4s are. What is the k value? 4 by 3. So suitable answer is A. Second one. If the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus a plus 1 of x plus b, the zeros means alpha equal to 2, beta equal to minus 3. Then find out a and b values. So what is the polynomial? P of x equal to x square plus of a plus 1 into x plus b. These two are zeros means we have the relation P of 2 equal to 0 and P of minus 3 equal to 0. P of 2 means 2 2s are 4 plus of a plus 1 into 2 plus b equal to 0. Here 2a plus b, 4 plus 2 is 6 equal to 0. P of minus 3 means minus 3 whole square means 9 minus 3 into a plus 1 plus b equal to 0. Here minus 3a plus b, 9 minus 3 plus 6 equal to 0. Solving of these two. It is 1 and 2. ఏమంటున్నా ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ రెండింటిని 1 2 minus 2 అన్నప్పుడు ఈక్వేషన్ 1 minus 2 అంటే క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి కదా. 2a plus b plus 6 minus of minus plus 3a minus b minus 6 equal to 0. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel plus b minus b cancel. 5a equal to 0. The a value is 0. A is 0 means b plus 6 equal to 0. A equal to 0 substitute in 1. B plus 6 equal to 0. So b equal to minus 6. So D is the suitable. A equal to 0, B equal to minus 6. What is your doubt? 0 minus 6 means minus 6 only. Plus 6 taking to right side, that is 0 minus 6, minus 6. Adi kuda doubt vastundi. Third question. Zeros of the polynomial P of x can be determined graphically. Number of zeros of a polynomial is equal to number of points where the graph of polynomial intersects y-axis? No, intersects x-axis. x-axis ni the graph అనేది ఎన్నిసార్లు ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేస్తే అన్ని జీరోస్ ఉంటున్నాయి అన్నట్టు. ఇంతకు ముందే మనం చెప్పాము లాస్ట్ పాయింట్. No, intersect only the curve intersects x-axis. How many times? That number of zeros are there in that curve. Next, if the graph of the polynomial P of x does not intersects the x-axis but intersects the y-axis is 1 point, the number of zeros of the polynomial is equal to 0. Does not intersects the x-axis అంటే x-axis ని intersect చేయట్లేదు అంటే zeros అనేటివి 0. Fifth question. If P of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. P of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. And another condition is a plus b plus c equal to 0. They are asking then 1 0 is. Here when we substitute x equal to 1, then a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c that equal to a plus b plus c, it is equal to 0 from the condition. అంటే వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చింది ఏంటి, ఇండైరెక్ట్గా ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు 1 అనేది 1 0 ఇచ్చారు. దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ద అనదర్ 0 బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్. The sum of the zeros alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, product of the zeros alpha beta equal to c by a. In here 1 0 is 1, beta equal to c by a, so the 0 of the given polynomial with that condition is c by a. Okay, if they didn't give a plus b plus c equal to 0, we cannot find out. X equal to 1 అనేది ఇండైరెక్ట్గా అక్కడ 1 0 అనేది ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయి ఉంది అన్నట్టు. దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ అనదర్ 1 0. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ 6th క్వశ్చన్. ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పాలినామియల్స్ హ్యావింగ్ జీరోస్ మీన్స్ in 6th question alpha equal to minus 2, beta equal to 5. Okay, what is the polynomial equation? P of x equal to k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Antena? It is equal to k into x square means x square minus, find out alpha plus beta, minus 2 plus 5 equal to 3. What is alpha beta? Minus 2 into 5, it is minus 10. Write in that. That is minus 3x minus 10. This is the polynomial. When we choose k equal to any value, 1 means that equation, 2, 3, 4, so on. So what is the suitable? It's more than 3. We can take any value. 2 తీసుకుంటే ఒక పాలినామియల్ వస్తుంది, 3. k అనేది ఆర్బిటరీ కాన్స్టెంట్, we can choose any integer, any real number అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ 7th క్వశ్చన్. A quadratic polynomial, the sum of whose zeros means 7th one, sum of whose zeros means alpha plus beta equal to minus 5. The product is alpha beta equal to 6. What is the quadratic polynomial? P of x equal to k into x square minus 5x plus 6. X square minus 5x plus 6. This is the suitable. K, we choose k equal to oh, minus alpha plus beta, minus of minus 5, good, plus means b is wrong, a is correct. X square plus 5x plus 6, the minus of minus 5, ఇదే ఇక్కడ వస్తే minus of minus 5. Next, if zeros of p of x equal to 2x square minus 7x plus k are reciprocals of each other, then value of k. If zeros of p of x are reciprocal of each other, if alpha equal to 1 by beta, so that is alpha beta equal to 1. From the polynomial p of x equal to 2x square minus 7x plus k, from this alpha beta equal to k by 2. What is alpha beta? 1 equal to k by 2. From this k equal to 2. The answer is then value of k is, ఎందుకు జీరోస్ ఆర్ ఇన్ రెసిప్రోకల్ అంటే ఆల్ఫా అనేది ఈక్వల్ టు 1 బై బీటా అవ్వచ్చు, బీటా అనేది 1 బై ఆల్ఫా, ప్రోడక్ట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. నెక్స్ట్, In the following questions 9 and 10, these are the assertion and reasoning questions. Ninth question. X square plus 4x plus 5 has two real zeros. A quadratic polynomial can have at most two zeros. Two real zeros means quadratic polynomial can have at most two zeros. Quadratic అంటేనే two zeros ఉంటాయి. రెండు సేమ్. Two real zeros అంటున్నారు, at most maximum two zeros. A is the correct. Okay, see ninth question. P of x equal to x square plus 4x plus 5. Split into factors x square plus 5x minus 1x plus 5. It's not suitable. X square plus 4x plus 5 means has two real zeros. Okay, quadratic form minus b plus or minus under root of b square 16 minus 4ac. Oh, it's in negative. Minus 4 plus or minus under root of 16 minus 20 by 2. Minus 4 plus or minus root negative 4. It is not real form. That is in not real. Real zeros అన్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడ negative 4 అనేది రాదు under root లో. Negative 4 in under root means it's a complex form. So, assertion is false. A quadratic polynomial can have at the most two zeros. Reasoning is true. Quadratic polynomial ki maximum two zeros ఏ ఉంటాయి. కానీ అవిది రియలా కాంప్లెక్సా అనేది దట్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనం సాల్వ్ చేస్తుంటే ఫస్ట్ అనుకున్నాము ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ రియల్ అనేది మేజర్ ఉంది. రియల్ జీరోస్ అని వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చారు అంటే జస్ట్ యూ చెక్ ఫ్రమ్ ద క్వాడ్రటిక్ ఫార్ములా. క్వాడ్రటిక్ ఫార్ములా నుండి ఏమొస్తుంది, ఇట్స్ ఏ కాంప్లెక్స్ వస్తుంది. రూట్ ఆఫ్ -4 బిలాంగ్స్ టు కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్ సెట్ అంటే రియల్లో నెగిటివ్ ఉండదు అండర్ రూట్లో. సో డి ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్. Next, if the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is 2, then value of k is 1. Okay, polynomial form is p of x equal to x square minus 2kx plus 8 and sum of the zeros alpha plus beta equal to plus 2. Sum of the zeros is plus 2. Then value of k is 1. K equal to 1. Sum of the zeros means minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus of minus 2k by 1. Here alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. That is 2 equal to 2k. Yes. Assertion is true. Reason, sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is minus b by a. Reason is also correct explanation. So both are true and correct explanation means it is the A, option A. Okay, next. Section B, question 11 to 14 carry 2 marks each. Find the zeros of, what is that? P of x equal to root 3x square plus 10x plus 7 root 3. Okay, here a equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A equal to root 3, b is 10, c is 7 root 3. A into c, root 3 into 7 root 3, that is 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 7 plus 3 is 10. So split. The algebraic expression can split into factors. Root 3x square plus 7x plus 3x plus 7 root 3. Root 3, here x is common in the first two terms. Root 3x plus 7, in the last two terms root 3 is common. Root 3x plus 7. So x plus root 3 is a one factor. Root 3x plus 7 is the another factor. So what are the zeros? Let x plus root 3 equal to 0 from this x equal to minus root 3. Root 3x plus 7 equal to 0 from this x equal to minus 7 over root 3. Therefore, minus root 3 and minus 7 by root 3 are zeros. Okay. Next question. Twelfth question. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are. Zeros means alpha equal to minus 9, beta equal to minus 1 by 9. What is the question? Quadratic polynomial. What is the form? P of x equal to k into x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Okay. So sum alpha plus beta equal to minus 9 minus of plus of minus 1 by 9. Take the LCM. Minus 9 9s are 81 minus 1 over 9 minus 82 by 9. Okay. Alpha plus beta, rendo negatives, you add it, take the LCM. Alpha beta minus 9 into minus 1 by 9. 9 ones are 9 ones are minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Substitute. P of x equal to k into x square minus of minus plus 82 by 9 x. Alpha beta value is plus 1. Choose minus 82 minus of minus plus 82. Take the LCM. K into 9 is the LCM. 9x square plus 82x plus 9. Here choose k equal to 9. Then P of x equal to 9x square plus 82x plus 9 is the required polynomial. ఓకే. ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ఫ్రాక్షన్లో ఉంటుందో దాన్ని k లాగా చూజ్ చేసుకుంటే రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. 13th question. If the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is P of y equal to ky square plus 2y minus 3k is equal to twice their product. Sum of the polynomials is equal to twice of their product. Is equal to twice their product. Find the value of k. They are asking k equal to how much? Here from this, alpha plus beta over 2 equal to alpha beta by 1. Okay. Here from that, from the polynomial, sum of the zeros alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a minus 2 by k. Alpha beta equal to minus 3k by k. Yes. Y, here it is ay square plus by plus c. From this, a equal to k, b equal to 2, c equal to minus 3k. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. Minus b means minus 2 by k, alpha beta is minus 3k by k. It is equal to minus 3. Write in the relation alpha plus beta is minus 2 over k equal to 2 into minus 3. It is minus minus cancel, it is equal to 6. Cross multiply k equal to 2 by 6, 2 1s are 2 3s are. What is the k value? K equal to 1 by 3. They are asking. Okay. మీకు అదే వచ్చిందా? Next question, 14th. If the product of the zeros of the polynomial ax square minus 6x minus 6 is 4, then find the value of a and also find the sum of zeros of the polynomial. క్వశ్చన్ కనబడాలని. ఓకే. Fourteenth question. The product of zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to ax square minus 6x minus 6. Product of zeros alpha beta equal to 4. Then find the value of a and find the sum of the zeros alpha beta equal to how much? Okay. What is that? It is comparing with a equal to a, b equal to minus 6, c equal to minus 6. Product of the zeros equal to c by a. Alpha beta value is 4 equal to minus 6 by a is a. Then cross multiply. A equal to minus 6 by 4. 2 2s are 2 3s are. What is a value? A equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Sum of the zeros alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a equal to 6 by minus 3 by 2 equal to 6 multiply with 2 over minus 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So alpha plus beta equal to minus 4. Minus 4. Okay, section B is over. Section C. Fifteenth question. How many marks? 3 marks. Question is, find the zeros of p of x. P of x equal to 4x square plus 24x plus 36. Quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and their coefficients. Okay. Here it is comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. What is a? A equal to 4, b equal to 24, c equal to 36. Here p of x equal to 4x square plus 24x plus 36. You take the common 4. 4 common is the x square plus 4 6 is 24, 4 9 is 36. Okay. Then p of x 4 into x plus 3 whole square formula. This is x plus 3 whole square formula. That is equal to 2 into x plus 3 whole square. Ultimately that is 2x plus 6 whole square is the p of x. Ala aina ante idaina ante same. We'll take x plus 3 is equal to 0 from this, then x equal to minus 3. Ala aina ade vastundi. Ledante 2x plus 6 equal to 0 from this, 2x equal to minus 6, x equal to minus 3. అక్కడ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. మనం కాన్స్టెంట్ని అవుట్ సైడ్ తీసుకుంటున్నప్పుడు దట్ కెన్ బి ఎక్స్ప్రెస్డ్ ఇన్ a ప్లస్ b హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి 4 ఎట్ వెళ్ళింది, కాన్స్టెంట్ కదా, అందులో ఉంటే వేరే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందేమో అన్న ఆలోచన కొంతమందికి ఉంటుంది. అది అవసరం లేదు. అదైనా ఇదే వస్తుంది, ఇదైనా అదే. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, జీరోస్ ఆర్ రిపీటెడ్. ఎందుకు? ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 3 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటున్నారు కదా. అంటే ఆల్ఫా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు -3. వెరిఫై ద polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Alpha plus beta equal to -3 equal to -6. Alpha beta equal to -3 into -3, that is 9. Verify with the relation. What is that? Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta equal to c by a. Minus b by a, alpha plus beta how much? -6 equal to minus of 24 by a is 4. 4 1s are 4 6s are. Or otherwise already మీకు ఇక్కడ alpha plus beta -6 అనేది తీసుకున్నారు కాబట్టి కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లేకుండా మైనస్ b by a తీసుకోండి. -24 by 6. 6 1s are 6 4s are. Sorry, a value is 4, 4 1s are 4 6s are, it is -6. So it is verified. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. This is verified. The another one is c by a. You take it. C equal to 36, a is 4, 4 1s are 4 9s are, it is 9. So alpha beta equal to c by a. This is also verified. Find the polynomial zeros from that verification. Here already it is verified. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, alpha beta is c by a. Enduku alpha plus beta -6, alpha beta 9, 9. Okay. Next question, 16th. Sixteenth question. If alpha and beta are zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x equal to 4x square plus 4x plus 1, and alpha beta are zeros. Then form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha and 2 beta. Here p of x equal to 4x square plus 4x plus 1, which is in the form of a plus b whole square. It is equal to 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 1 plus 1 square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, which is in the form of a plus b whole square. So what are the zeros here? Take 2x plus 1 equal to 0. From this 2x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 2. Here also zeros are repeated. Alpha equal to beta equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, they are asking 2 alpha equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2, it is equal to minus 1. 2 beta equal to 2 into minus 1 by 2, it is also minus 1. What is the question? Form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha, 2 beta. 2 alpha is 2 alpha equal to minus 1, 2 beta equal to minus 1. Sum of the zeros, 2 alpha plus 2 beta equal to minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Product of the zeros, 2 alpha, 2 beta equal to minus 1 into minus 1, it's a plus 1. So new polynomial is from 2 alpha, 2 beta, k into x square minus of 2 alpha plus 2 beta into x plus 2 alpha into 2 beta. So p of x equal to k into x square. 2 alpha plus 2 beta is minus of minus 2x plus 1. Choose k equal to 1. So the required polynomial is x square plus 2x plus 1. This is the answer. Section C, 16th one is over. Seventeenth question. If alpha comma beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial, p of x equal to 2x square plus 5x plus k. Then find the value of k. K equal to how much? Such that alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta equal to 24. They have given the relation alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta, that is equal to 24 with the polynomial. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 5, c equal to k. Okay. Sum of the zeros we don't know. Product alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, that is minus 5 by 2. Alpha beta equal to c by a, 5 by 2. Okay na? వాళ్ళు ఏమంటున్నారు? Relation is alpha plus beta whole square minus alpha beta equal to 24. From that relation we find out the k value. Alpha plus beta enti minus 5 by 2 whole square, alpha beta minus, sorry, c is k by 2. It is k by 2 equal to 24. Antena? Yes, alpha beta is c by a, k by 2. Simplify. 25 by 4 minus k by 2 equal to 24. Take the LCM of left side. 4 is the LCM. It is multiply with 2. 25 minus 2k equal to 24. Cross multiply. 25 minus 2k equal to 24 into 4. It is 96. 25 minus 2k equal to 96. Interchange, or minus 2k equal to 96 minus 25. It's a 71. K equal to 71 by minus 2. This is the answer. Okay. Next question. Section C is over. That is also same, minus 71 by 2. Eighteenth question, section D, 5 marks question. If alpha comma beta are zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to 5x square plus 5x plus 1, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a, it is ax square plus bx plus c equal to minus 5 by 5 equal to minus 1, c by a, that is 1 by 5. Find the value of first question, alpha square plus beta square. Second question, alpha to the power of minus 1 plus beta to the power of minus 1. Third question, alpha cube plus beta cube. Ever cheptaru? Alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Minus 1 whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 into alpha beta is 1 by 5. From this, alpha square plus beta square equal to 1 minus 2 by 5. Take the LCM, 5 minus 2. So, answer is alpha square plus beta square equal to 3 by 5. Second one, alpha to the power of minus 1 plus beta to the power of minus means 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Take the LCM, alpha beta, beta plus alpha. Alpha plus beta value is minus 1. Alpha beta value is 1 by 5 equal to minus 1 into 5 by 1 equal to minus 5. So, alpha to the power of minus 1 plus beta to the power of minus 1 equal to minus 5. Next, alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta into alpha square minus alpha beta plus beta square. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube. ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బీటా స్క్వేర్ వాల్యూ వచ్చింది, ఆల్ఫా బీటా వాల్యూ తెలుసు, ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా వాల్యూ తెలుసు. అది ఇవ్వకన్నప్పుడు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ దిస్ అండ్ దట్. ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఎంత? minus 1. From the first case, alpha square plus beta square value enta 3 by 5 minus alpha beta value enta minus 1 by 5. It is equal to minus 1 into 2 by 5. So The answer is alpha cube plus beta cube equal to minus 2 by 5 is the answer. Case study. Quadratic polynomial can be used to model the shape of many architectural structures in the world. The Lusitania Bridge is a bridge in Merida, Spain. The bridge was built over the Guadiana River in 1991 by a Spanish consortium to take the road traffic from the Romano Bridge. The architect was Santiago Calatrava. The bridge takes its name from the fact that Emerita Augusta, present-day Merida, was the former capital of Lusitania, an ancient Roman province. That is the story of that. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. If the arc is represented by 10x square minus x minus 3, then find its zeros. 10x square minus x minus 3. 10 3s are 10 minus 3s are minus 30. Actually, it is 10 into minus 3 equal to minus 30. Factors. 6, here minus 1, minus 6 5s are minus 30. So, it is equal to P of x equal to 10x square minus x minus 3, 10x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 3. 2x is common. 5x minus 3 plus 1 common, 5x minus 3. The factors are 2x plus 1 and another one is 5x minus 3. Take 0. Take 2x plus 1 equal to 0. From this, x equal to minus 1 by 2. Next, 5x minus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 3 over 5, 3 by 5. Minus 3 taking to right side. So, what are the zeros? Minus 1 by 2. 3 by 5. Okay. Find the quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros is 0. Sum of zeros is 0. Product of zeros is 1. Alpha beta equal to 1. So, P of x equal to x square minus 0 into x plus 1. The polynomial is x square plus 1. Find the sum and product of zeros of the polynomial. P of x equal to root 3 x square minus 14x plus 8 into root 3. 8 into root 3 into root 3, 8 3 is a 24. Ante kada? 8 root 3 into root 3, 8 3 is a 24. 12 2 is a 24. So, P of x equal to root 3 x square minus 12x minus 2x plus 8 root 3. Here, root 3 x common, x minus దీన్ని 4 3 is a 12 అని రాయొచ్చు. అంటే 4 root 3. 3 can split into root 3 into root 3. 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3. Minus 2 is common, x minus 4 root 3. So, factors are x minus 4 root 3 into root 3 x minus 2. So, x equal to 4 over root 3, x equal to 2 over root 3. What is the question they are asking? sum and product of zeros. Sum equal to alpha plus beta equal to 4 over root 3 plus 2 over root 3. 6 over root 3, 6 can write it as 2 into 3 over root 3, 2 root 3. Sum equal to alpha plus beta equal to 2 root 3. Alpha beta equal to 4 by root 3 into 2 by root 3. 8 by root 3. అవును, అక్కడ ఏంటి అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద జీరోస్ అంటే మైనస్ బి బై ఏ వేసినట్టున్నారు. 14 by root 3. అదే దీన్ని ఏబిసి తీసుకుంటే అవుతుంది. ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ బి బై ఏ అంటే 14 by root 3 డైరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఆల్ఫా బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు 8 root 3 by root. ఏది ఇక్కడ ఏదో సంథింగ్ అవును, ఒక నిమిషం జీరోస్ చూద్దాం. 4 3s are 12. root 3x కామన్ తీస్తే x minus 4 root 3 minus 2 కామన్ x minus 4 root 3. ఓ దిస్ హియర్ ఇక్కడ వరకు కరెక్టే, ఇక్కడ రాంగ్ రాసినాను, అందుకనే అక్కడ పోయింది. x minus 4 root 3 ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అంటే x ఈక్వల్ టు 4 root 3 వస్తుంది. root 3 x minus 2 ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అన్నప్పుడు x ఈక్వల్ టు 2 by root 3 వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు 4 root 3 plus 2 by root 3. root 3 is the LCM. 4 into 3 plus 2. ఇప్పుడు కరెక్ట్ వస్తుంది, దాని నుండి కూడా కరెక్టే వస్తుంది. ఏంటి ఈక్వేషన్ నుండి ఆల్ఫా బీటా ఏమవుతుంది? 4 root 3 into 2 by root 3. root 3 క్యాన్సల్, 4 2s are 8 అంటే ఆల్ఫా బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు 8. ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ c by a minus b by a. minus b is minus of minus 14, a is root 3. 14 by root 3 అది. అక్కడ ఇదంతా అవసరం లేదు. దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫైండ్ ద సమ్ అండ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్ అన్నప్పుడు మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా ఏం తీసుకోవచ్చు? ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ బి బై ఏ, ఆల్ఫా బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు సి బై ఏ. ఇట్ ఈస్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ minus 14 by root 3. 14 by root 3. c by a is 8 root 3 by root 3 8. డైరెక్ట్ అది తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఇదంతా అవసరం ఏం లేదు. నెక్స్ట్ 20 క్వశ్చన్. ఇవి యాక్చువల్గా అప్లికేషన్ బేస్డ్ పాలినామియల్స్ ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తాము అనేది క్వాడ్రటిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్లో యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఏంటి? The figure given alongside shows the path of a diver when she takes a jump from the diving board. Clearly it is a parabola. Parabola means it is a quadratic form. Y equal to x, quadratic polynomial. Parabola means Annie was standing on a diving board 48 feet above the water level to this 48 feet. She took a dive into the pool. Her height in feet above the water level at any time t in seconds is given by the polynomial h of t such that h of t equal to minus 16t square plus 8t plus k. So what is the value of k? ఏమంటున్నారు? డైవింగ్ బోర్డ్ ఈజ్ 48 feet. 48 feet అనేది upper board. It was standing on a diving board 48 feet. That is the 48 feet. At what time will she touch the water in the pool? అంటే T అనేది how much? First K is how much? Standing on a diving board. Yes, T equal to 0, 48 feet above the water level. T 0 అంటున్నప్పుడు అక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? K ఈక్వల్ టు 0నే 48 అవుతుంది. H of 0 ఈక్వల్ టు 48 అన్నప్పుడు H of 0 ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ప్లస్ 0 ప్లస్ K. K ఈక్వల్ టు 48. So H of T equal to minus 16T square plus 8T plus 48. At what time will she touch the water in the pool? The H of T equal to 0. Here 8 is common, minus 8 is common, 2T square minus T minus 6. 4 3s are 12. Two T square minus T minus 6 means 4 2s are 12. 2T square minus 4T plus 3T minus 6. 2T is common, T minus 2 plus 3 is common, T minus 2. T minus 2 into 2T plus 3. T equal to 2. T equal to minus 3 by 2. Time is never in negative, so 2 seconds. At what time will she touch the water? Time T in seconds, 2 seconds. Rita's height in feet above the water level is given by another polynomial P of T with zeros 1 and 2. Then find P of T. It is equal to x square minus 3T, sorry, T square minus 3T plus 2. Zeros అన్నప్పుడు alpha equal to 1, beta equal to 2. Alpha plus beta, 1 plus 2, 3, minus 3T, 2 1s are 2, 2. So P of T equal to T square minus 3T plus 2. అయిపోయిందా? ఇక్కడ ఒకటి మాత్రం చూసుకోండి, 48 feet above the ground అన్నప్పుడు the height is 48 feet at the initial time, అంటే T equal to 0. K value 2 వచ్చిందా? అవును, T equal to 2, T equal to minus 3 by 2, T in seconds, T equal to 2 seconds. Second one they have given zeros. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ అనేది ఉంది, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ని మనం ఇండికేట్ చేయలేదు. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంటే ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ -1 ఉంటే అప్పుడు వస్తుంది. ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు -1, బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అంటే ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్. ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్ టు -1, బీటా ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అన్నప్పుడు ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఏమవుతుంది? 1 అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఇదేమవుతుంది? P of T equal to T square minus T minus 2. అంతేనా? కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అంటే ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు నెగిటివ్ అనేది జస్ట్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్ 1, ఇక్కడ జీరోస్ మైనస్ అని అక్కడ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది. అక్కడ మైనస్ అంటే మనం జీరోస్ అనేది ఇక్కడ -1 అన్నప్పుడు అది వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఏమడుగుతున్నారు? పి ఆఫ్ టీనే కదా, అంతే. కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అని అంటే ఇంతకుముందు దానికి మైనస్ మిస్ అయింది. మైనస్ రైట్ సైడ్ ఉండేసరికి 1 and 2 అనుకున్నాం. 1 and 2 అంటే -3t + 2. -1 and 2 అంటున్నప్పుడు -t -2.